Kapalabhati, or breath of fire, is a cleansing, energizing breath powered by abdominal contractions. Sitting on your knees, place hands on your thighs and close your eyes. Taking a natural round of breath in and out. We'll begin round 1 of breath of fire by breathing in about 75% full. Then exhale, draw navel to spine, creating this pumping motion, breathing out the nose. Continue like that for 10 to 20 pumps. And then exhale fully. Inhale, natural round of breath in and out. And we'll begin round 2. Inhaling about 75% full, and then exhaling, drawing navel to spine, creating this pumping motion. For about 10 to 20 pumps, focus on the exhale. Allow the inhales to be passive and natural. After your 10 to 20 pumps, exhale fully. And inhale, natural round of breath. Exhale, let it all go. Beginning round 3, inhale about 75% full. And exhale, drawing navel to spine, creating these short, sharp exhales through the nose. Continue for your 10 to 20 pumps. And then exhale fully. Now just taking natural rounds of breath in and out. Begin to notice this inner sensation after breath of fire, sometimes known as skull shining breath, because it purifies the mind of cloudy or negative thinking. Thank you for sharing this practice with me today. Namaste.